to my channel. My name is Sierra and I am here today with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I customize my iOS 14 home screen. So with the new update for iPhone, the iOS 14, you're able to customize your home screen. Really cool. It's like back to the MySpace days, like back to the iPod jailbroken days. Like it's back to that, and it's just a lot of fun. I've had a lot of fun playing around with it. Today I'm just here with a quick video. I know there's like a million of these videos on YouTube now, but I wanted to show you all how I did mine. Very quick and simple. So I'm going to be screen sharing right here, and I'll show you what my phone looked like before. It was just cluttered and just a mess, and every time I unlocked my phone, it brought me anxiety because it was just too many apps, too much. Even though I tried to organize it into folders, it was just a lot going on. So now with the iOS, they have different features where you can hide folders and stuff that you've made, and they have an app library. So you can literally just type whatever app you're looking for, or they're just organized for you and kind of generated by iOS in this library, which is super helpful. So I just hid all of my stuff and all of my folders and everything, and then I've really just been using the app library. It's super helpful. And then I have my customized home screen, which I think looks really fun. Yeah, I'm just going to be showing you all how I did that, very quick and easy. I have some notes right here, so yeah, let's get started. So first things that you need to do before you can customize your phone is you need to download the Widgetsmith app and really start saving some photos that you want your aesthetic. So once you pick a theme, that's the first thing you need to do, and organize your apps that you have, then you need to download Widgetsmith. That's how you're going to get the really fun widgets and stuff, the big calendar, the big, in the colors that you want. That's how you're going to do that. And then you want to also download the aesthetic that you're looking for. So I was looking for like purple, white, black. I don't know if you're looking for neutral tones, if you're looking for pinks. And how people are getting their fun pictures for their phone is they're just like Googling aesthetic. So when you put aesthetic with whatever color that you want, it's like, I don't know, it just generates these like really cool edited photos. So like for me, I would put purple aesthetic photos in like Pinterest, and then all these like fun purple photos would come. So like purple sparkles, purple, like, I don't know, just random stuff. And then, I don't know, when I wanted white aesthetic photos or different things, or if I wanted logos, like some people just completely changed the face of their app. I didn't want to change the face of my app, so I kept the app logos there. I just wanted them to be more aesthetically pleasing, so I wanted them to be black and white. So I would just type in Twitter black and white logo, and then I would download that. So I'm going to show you all how exactly to do it, but to get the aesthetic photos and to get the library you need to customize, just type in aesthetic for everything. I use Pinterest because I feel like they have a good array of photos, but also just Googling like blue aesthetic or blue aesthetic photos or whatever, you can get some fun stuff. I'm going to be looking down a lot in this video so that I can, you know, navigate my phone and be able to show you all how I did everything. But yeah, I just have the iPhone XR. What? No, the iPhone XR. Yeah, you have the iPhone XR. I like it. It's nice. I went from the 6 to the XR, so that was like a big jump. And I got it about a year ago. So this is my home page right here. I really love it. I love having the big calendar and being able to see the month. I love having a positive note there, and that's just the reminder note, and I love that it's black and white and it matches and it's aesthetic. I did some of my apps as just plain photos, but most of them I kept their original logos. I just changed them to black and white. So I'm going to show you all how to do this. And then this is the app library that I really think is nice. And yeah, this is my screen kind of incomplete without all of the widgets that I want and the apps that I want, so I can show you all how I got them. So first, really what you want to do is go to Widgetsmith so that you're able to get the widget that you want the way you want it. Why did I spell widget like that? Okay. So once you download Widgetsmith, they have all these options of small, medium, large. So I wanted a medium widget for the date, and you see that's how I have some customized. But if you click on it, and then you can see all the different options, the different fonts, the different everything that you can have. You also can have different colors, and you can have different backgrounds if you want pink, if you want purple, border, stuff like that. So I just wanted to keep it black and white because that's my theme, my aesthetic. And then you want to also note the fact that it's labeled under medium number 1, because when you're looking for the widget, you need to be able to go back to that specific one to not mix up the color that you want. Because I know I don't want medium number 2 because I don't want the all black. I want it to be white background with black text. So once you go out of this and back home, you go here. No. Whoa. So you want to like hold down one of these, and you want to do edit home screen, and then you want to click the plus sign at the top corner, and you want to say add widget. You want to go to the search bar and you want to type in Widgetsmith, and then you know that the widget you want to add is the medium one. So I click on medium and go to add widget, and that's not the widget I want out of the medium ones that I have. So I hold that and I go click on the name and I click medium number 1 because that's the widget that I wanted. So I do that, and then boom, there's the widget. So it's really that easy. It's so much you can do in customization. Yeah, so if you want pink, if you want like yellow or something, that's how you can do it. So now I'm going to show you all how to do the apps, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite apps, one of the apps that I use to edit a lot of my thumbnails and put like products and stuff that have been like, I don't know, when I take the background out of products and insert them into videos. One of my favorite apps to do that is called Bizart. Yeah, that's a little secret. I don't know how many people are using Bizart, but it is the best for erasing backgrounds and stuff like that. And you can do a lot of different edits, and that's how I did the logos. So first I'm going to add the YouTube app back to, not YouTube, Snapchat back to my phone. So just to save y'all some time, because when I was customizing, sometimes I would add those logos and it would be too small. It would like look disproportionate in the app. So to make sure that it's proportionate, what you need to do is add something, like start from scratch. You want to add a background. I want my background to be white. And then the size, just do the square. Like if you do the square, it's gonna turn out perfect for fitting the little app icon when you're customizing. So I do that, and then I go to photos. And as you can see, these are like some of the aesthetic photos that I looked up. So there's a lot of fun. So I edited mine already, but the big Snapchat right here, I'm just gonna click on that, and it fits perfectly into the square. That puts it center and it's square. So when you save it like that with those dimensions, it's gonna fit perfectly proportionately into the app when you're editing it. So now I'm going to show you how to change the face of your apps. So when you go to shortcuts, so you type in shortcuts, and I already have a Snapchat one, but we're about to make another one. So you add a shortcut in the corner, click add action. You want to click on the scripting little place, and then you want to make sure you click open app. So once you do that, you want to choose which app you want to open. So I want to open Snapchat. So I did Snapchat, and then you click the 3 dots in the corner and you name it. So I'm naming this Snapchat. I like it all lowercase. And you want to click add to home screen. So I add that to home screen, and then you want to click on the photo. Well, I guess you need to name this too. So you click right there and you name it Snapchat. choose photo. So you go choose photo. That's a photo I just made. It's gonna fit perfectly. Like that's what you want. Like I've been there, I've done that, where it was just all disproportional. I was zooming in, I was zooming out. It was not working. So I'm telling you, wherever you edit your photos, just go in there and click on square, and that's the perfect dimensions you need. So I click choose that, I click add, boom. It says I already have it because I already have it. But that's the way you do it. So you see how it's right there. I'm just gonna hold it, edit home screen, and then drag it where the little Snapchat was, which I think it was right there. Yes. So I'm gonna do it one more time to show y'all how I added another app, the app with the pictures. Okay, so now I wanna add the weather. So I click scripting, open app, choose, then type in weather, because the weather channel, it's the most accurate, so that's the weather I use, not the Apple weather app, no. So I click the 3 dots in the corner. I want to add the word weather and then click add to home screen. Now I need to add the word weather again. I like it all lowercase. So do that and then click on that picture, click choose photo, and then you see how I have this purple lightning strike? I tried the blue to bring out the blue, but no, that didn't work. So I just do this, and you see how I have to like move it around for it to fit. With a regular photo, that's how it's gonna be. But when you're trying to do icons, if that's what you want for your aesthetic, then just make it a square image in an photo editing app. So yeah, I'm gonna move this around the way I want it with that lightning strike kind of off to the side. Choose, boom, add. So it's added to the home screen. And then we're just gonna hold edit screen and then drag it to the side that I want. So yeah, and that's how I got my iOS 14 homepage. I really like it. Every time I open it up, it makes me smile because it looks pretty. I was just so tired of like a whole billion apps and it just not aesthetically pleasing. I live for some aesthetics. I live for something looking nice and orderly. So yeah, a couple of things that I wanted to say that I don't like about this is that I don't like that the Widgetsmith stays Widgetsmith on the screen. Like you see how it says Widgetsmith under all of the widgets. Because you use Widgetsmith to customize it, if I wasn't using Widgetsmith to customize it, it wouldn't say that if I was using the regular widgets. But I like that you can customize it because it flows so much better, but I don't like the word that it says. Also, another thing is when you click on an app, so let me click on Hulu. So if I click on Hulu, you saw how it like lagged there a little bit. Like that's the only thing that happens. It lags a little bit because it's a shortcut. It's not taking you right there. You're not directly using the app. So hopefully they can change that in the future with updates or whatever. It doesn't bug me a ton, but it is like, dang, can I just get right to the app? But it is very short. And then the things I really, really love about the iOS 14 is just the customization. Like it's very personalized. Not everyone's phone's looking the same. It's not like bland. It just has your own flair. And like for me, it's just like, I don't know, it's nice to look at my phone and it actually reflects me, not just like traditional iPhone, I don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love the customization, and I don't know, I'll probably change it up to a different background and like keep my black and white. Some people have these really fun colors. I've been seeing so much creativity on Twitter. I don't know, I think it's a lot of fun. So I just wanted to show you all how I did it. So if you like this video, please stay tuned for future videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.